Here's a nice little hack for using Snagit. Snagit doesn't have the ability to zoom in on what you're doing live, but if you put these little add-on, this PowerToys add-on called ZoomIt, which is free, and enable it, you can use the hotkey while you're recording, like I'm doing now. Use Control 4, and it's called Live Zoom. So Control 4 brings you like that, and you've got the mouse control here, and you've got the you've zoomed right in there. You can see it's still recording live. Control 4 back to it gets out again. If I go Control 4 here, you can see there I am there. It's the recording live. You have to disable the screen capture for Snagit's on-screen mouse capture. Otherwise, you'll get your desktop mouse and the one that's on Snagit. But it's fine. That's not an issue at all. But it works really well for being able to zoom into a little point to show somebody something. It also has tools for drawing over things, but as far as I know, they don't. Draw without zoom hotkey. Draw. Okay, let's just try draw. So the thing about the draw mode is that as soon as you press draw, it's going to freeze the picture. So here's me here, and I go Control 2, and the picture's frozen. So I can draw on the picture, but I can no longer. It's not a video image. Anyway, it's a pretty damn good. It's a very good hack with the ability to zoom in nicely like that with a Control 4, boom, zoom in, and you've got a live zooming in thing, which is rather delightful. Like it.